Monday.com review, usage experience. In this video, I'll break down Monday.com's features, usability, and performance to help you decide if it's the right project management tool for you. Links to Monday.com are in the description below. Monday.com is a highly customizable work management platform designed for teams and businesses to plan, track, and collaborate on projects seamlessly. Its intuitive interface allows users to create custom workflows with different views, including Kanban boards, Gantt charts, calendars, and list views. The flexibility of Monday.com makes it ideal for a wide range of use cases, from task management and CRM to HR and marketing campaign tracking. One of its biggest strengths is automation. With Monday.com's built-in automation builder, you can eliminate repetitive tasks, set up notifications, and trigger workflows without needing any coding knowledge. This significantly improves efficiency, ensuring tasks move through the pipeline smoothly. It also integrates with popular tools like Slack, Zoom, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, and Trello, centralizing work into one platform. Collaboration is at the core of Monday.com, allowing teams to comment on tasks, share files, assign responsibilities, and update project statuses in real time. The platform also offers time tracking and workload management to ensure teams stay on top of deadlines. Additionally, its dashboards and reporting tools provide key insights into productivity and project progress, making it easier for managers to make informed decisions. Monday.com offers a free plan for individuals, while the paid plans provide access to advanced automation, integrations, and enterprise-grade security. The interface is visually appealing, making it easy for users of all experience levels to navigate. Overall, Monday.com stands out for its flexibility, powerful automation, and scalability, making it a great choice for businesses of all sizes. Whether you need a simple task management tool or a full-fledged project tracking system, Monday.com adapts to your needs. If you're interested in trying it out, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching.